Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight I have a really exciting video. My best friend is gonna adopt a puppy. I don't know if she's gonna get one tonight, but we're gonna go check them out, and I think she's gonna get a little lab, which is so cute. So I'm super excited. And I'm sorry I look like I have like 5 necks. It's just my turtleneck on. And there she is, that's Jamie.
Hi guys, welcome to Alyssa's channel.
We just went to Dunkin' Donuts and I got a pumpkin spice latte.
Show them how ugly this is. And
we got a Thanksgiving donut, and it's supposed to be a turkey, and this is what it looks like. How sad is that? Like, they just failed on him.
It's after the turkey got slaughtered. That's what it looks like.
I know. So a lot of exciting things, and I mean, who doesn't like watching people play with puppies? Because I could do that all day. So I will see you when we get to the shelter. You're gorgeous, Hi, pretty girl. You're so cute. Don't be scared, baby. Don't be scared. Isn't she so cute? Or he? I don't know. Oh my god, I want you so bad.
Go in there. Yeah, kid. Yeah.
She's so beautiful. So if anyone lives in Branford, Connecticut, please adopt this dog and make me happy. Aww. Seriously though, she's in Branford. This is the prettiest dog. So happy, doesn't bark a lot. She's so cute and I want her so bad.
I want to ask him. I'll start crying again.
Are you still growing, man? I can
These places make me so sad. I literally just want every single dog that's in this place. It makes me so sad. Hi, cutie pie. Look at you. You guys are cute too. Hi. Does anyone else talk this much to animals? Because I do. You're so cute. Look at them all. Oh my god. He's trying to get my attention. Hi. Hi, don't eat that. Don't eat that. Hi. Oh my god, this is the cutest dog in the world. Come here, Hershey.
Hershey loves Alyssa more.
It's very personal.
She likes, I'm telling you, she likes me because I smell like a dog. You just gotta, she's a puppy. You just gotta like get used to her. And, hey, no, you can't have that. You can't eat that. You can't eat that. You can't eat that.
You may even see
She's a
them.
cutie.
And in the dark times, you don't have to question if I'm where we are. You could put an ocean